forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with that.
they always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
I dot me say, I dot me say, I dot me say, I dot me say, I dot.
What have you got, hello?
Fried dumpling, fried potato,
Potato.
fried plantain.
Pressed plantain.
Yeah. Starfish and beans, 2 cups of some chicken sausage. Work.
You know, guys, any
Right, I'll rock up best, you know.
good road trip starts with food, right? Food has to be involved. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 3 of our 14-part series exploring the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Today we are exploring St Mary and we are going to Castleton River or Castleton Botanical Gardens. Now on the way there you can see the river from miles away and there you can see the guy rafting. It's our first time actually stopping at the Castleton River and Botanical Gardens, even though we pass it all the time. So I was really looking forward to this one. Guys, I had to mute this part because there was music playing and, you know, copyright issues and all of the rest of it. So there's some of the river on our drive through. We arrived, and as you arrive, there are loads of shops selling what looks like really good food. But we had already eaten, so we didn't bother to buy anything. But there's loads of places that you can buy food from. The river is kind of directly opposite the police station right there. And then it was just a short walk to the entrance. There we are, Castleton River, as you can see there. There is a very small entrance fee to get in. We pay $300 per person, or $300 for adults, which is really reasonable. There's security there. There's a bar there. Sell drinks. They also sell food as well. And as you're going, there's a little bit of history about the botanical gardens as well. So I'll just read a little bit for you. So the gardens at Castleton were established in 1862 to facilitate the relocation of the Bath Botanical Gardens where it originally was, making it one of the oldest public botanical gardens in the Western Hemisphere. In just a few years after the move, the gardens at Castleton were the most richly stocked in the Caribbean, boasting over 180 species of palm and at least 400 species of other flora. The garden occupies approximately 15 acres of land in the cool, verdant hills in St Mary. It is divided by the main road to Junction, with another end adjacent to Rocky River, known to many as Wagwater River. Many of the trees and plants introduced to Jamaica were first planted here, most notably the Bombay mango, navel orange and tangerine. Other important exotic trees, palms and shrubs in the garden today include night jasmine, flame of the forest, Chinese guinea, hummingbird fountain. The 15-acre gardens are open to the public, and Castleton is a popular picnic spot for Kingstonians eager for a break from the city. The Wagwater River flows through Castleton parallel to the botanical gardens, adding to the serenity and pristine beauty of the area. Okay, so it's actually the Wagwater River, but many call it Castleton River because it's in the area of Castleton. So you know, to start the day, Outlaw had to stop at the bar and get himself a little drink, you know, just to start the proceedings, right? And it says this way to the river. And guys, I would definitely recommend, if you haven't been to Castleton River before, definitely come and check it out. We had a really good time and we'll definitely be back soon.
To be on my lane, my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time. Yeah, I'm all in my life, man. Go on with it, go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full.
Yeah, so a lot of stones, a lot of big stones. A lot of big stones. A lot of big stones. The people are all the way around that side as well, aren't they? Yeah. It's beautiful. We're going to go in there. Yeah? Atlas says it's warm. Yeah? I'm going to go in a minute. Put this down. Outlaw says it's warm. It's not warm, it's cold. It's cold.
That temperature gauge is not working.
What do you say?
The temperature gauge is not working.
So my temperature gauge is not working. It's not warm. It's cold. Huh? What does it say? Oh. I've got shorts to put on, you know. Not completely, but feel more comfortable than this.
Water nice, right? Fine, that's cool. So maybe hot, you know. Get the cool one. Slippery? Yeah, but it's not doing it.
Hi guys.
You supposed to have a wipe on one there?
Yeah. I feel safe here. I feel secure. Maybe this is far as I go.
You're not stuffing your foot, your feet.
Huh?
You're not stuffing your feet. Like you always do. Water warm down. Can you check out, come on. You have a look here.
Can't swim.
Shiloh!
Can you help yourself? Can you help yourself?
What's that out there? Jose, you know. What's you? Leaning against one rock. Drink in hand. Foot crust.
I like it.
Come. You go first. No, go on. It's alright, go on. Be careful though. You get all the trees and stuff. No, I'm going to use it to wash off your foot when we're going up. People are still turning up. Yeah. It's Saturday today, so
tomorrow.
yeah, busy day.
Time.
Yeah.
Family and such.
It's nice. So what I like is that this, as you can see, it's really big. So there's loads of space you can spread out. So even all up there, you can go all the way up there, and then the river's really obviously it's long. So there's different parts. I mean, we just congregated down there, but you can go all the way up here and get the river from the other end. Maybe a bit more quieter over there. But yeah, you can just spread out, find a nice bench. You just got a bench. You got a bench just chilling out.
Just like that.
So we are.
Take a chill pill.
There's a bar. You would have seen the bar. I think they do food there as well at that bar.
Looks so.
And yeah, botanical gardens.
Most people just come with them food, you know?
Yeah.
Picnic thing.
Picnic, yeah. Picnic.
Friends and family and just come out. Some people are carrying them pop and cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Look at the riverside.
We come away already with Alex them and cook.
Yeah.
Hold up away. That's the name of them. Go fire and cook, yo.
Yeah, that's good. It is nice. The road is right there, so you don't have to walk too far off, but it's tranquil. It's nice.